All right, round two. Taking a lot of pictures of the cars for my calendar. So, anyways, here round two here of the 2025 Twin City Auto Show. Car show, you want to call it. So you can rent these bad boys. Oh my goodness. I wouldn't rent that. I'd buy it.
Yeah. The two areas.
So you got all kinds of these cool vehicles. It's a hell of a nice vehicle. Got hot tubs left and right. Why not, right? I get it. I'd have a hot tub to the pool. These right here should all be all-wheel drive. That's what they should be, all-wheel drive. That's what they should be. So I'm on the GoPro 10. I bought extra batteries. One thing about this camera, it sucks down the drain. So, but anyways, these are kind of cool, but it'd be all-wheel drive for me. Have you a great little camper. So, and they got music going on over there, so I gotta be careful. So, what do they want for this sucker? 75 grand, give or take. Nice. Very, very nice. I like cabin and a half myself, but it's nice. I like the gray on it. Yeah, people, because the tariffs coming through from the hunch. We'll see by the time this comes up. He's back down on it. But this is the F350. 88,000. I do it just the gas. I don't know if it's diesel. Probably diesel. I have no idea. It probably is. Usually what it is. Power stroke, yeah. You can't get in here very well. And people are jumping inside that sucker.
Yeah, the light's over here.
Ford over here. It's not too big of a crowd. It's a Thursday night, so it's kind of nice. Gas mileage still should be shameful. That should be up in the 30s. 51,000 for this bad boy. These engines are not easy to work on. Not like your dad's one, right? Found on road dead, right? See, it's Explorer. They want 60. They bastardized this thing. I don't know. I like the blue over here. The Chevy, we're getting right next to the. Those are kind of nice. I like electrical ones. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, got the trunk in the front, junk in the front, right? I mean, you can't put golf clubs in there. I like that blue. Silverado. My goodness. I like that gray over there too. Maybe that's not music. I think it's just that video game the guy's playing. That's kind of a nice orange. Nice. I'm not into orange, but it's kind of nice. Like that. That's a nice. See over there. Very nice. I like this. Oh my goodness. Got a TV in the back. You watching them travel with the kids. Nice. Oh my goodness. It's an Escalade. Oh my goodness. Electrical one? I don't know. I get electric, but you can get better gas mileage with batteries on, as far as I'm concerned. But who am I? Elon Musk will have money. I would invent a car to get better gas mileage than digging for more product.
I got rid of my Escape because my fork can tow my boat. So
A little boxy.
some people do and you can't. Yeah, and you lose some range when you're towing, but it depends on what you're towing.
It's more like electrical corner, I think, in here. Yeah, it's electric avenue. So they're all kind of working together here. Toyota, they want 27 grand. I get it, man. San Diego is my favorite place. If I'm living in San Diego, I get that. I was driving around town, but I want to go to Chicago from my house. I'm going gas. It's all right. You can't. I think it was the Ford CEO realized he couldn't go from LA to Vegas. And that vehicle is locked. Okay, I'm not going to look inside, but people do want to sit inside of it. Sorry, man, but I don't know, a little much. There was some lady who bought one of those one day a long time ago, and she was whining the gas mileage. It's like, well, you should have known that, you know. They don't tell you in the big ones. But it's a nice vehicle. I like that. It looks nice. Electric Avenue, man. Nice. I like it. Gas, man, whatever, if I had the money, but well, maybe there is music, I have no idea, but yeah, you got the doors up, people want to get inside of it if they want to do. There's actually the room in there, you can kind of tell. Actually sitting there. I like this soft 26 miles. It's gotta be bigger than that, man. Sorry. So you want for this pig? 30 grand, something like that. Very, very nice. I love some of these the colors. So they have the waste of space of the Jeeps over there. You can go up and down. Like, I'm not going to do. That's a waste of good suffering. So I want to get this out of the way on a Thursday instead of this weekend, because we're going down on Good Friday tomorrow. We're going down to Iowa to collect our money for Super Bowl 59. So that's kind of a nice vehicle. Nice blue. I like that. People are freaking out, and before the hunch and his tariffs, we'll see what happens when this comes out in September. If he folded like a spent condom, the 4 floors of horse. Yeah. Nice. These are, I guarantee it. They were when Ford stopped making the Rangers. They regretted it. Kia should have bought that and called it the Kia Condor. They should have bought that factory in St. Paul. When they did rebuild that, they should have had the light rail go through there and follow the old Ford. I followed a few that you guys saw those rail fanning on there. That could have been the light rail into St. Paul once they get across the river, but they didn't do that. Poor choices got made. Downtown Hopkins was, I think, 1887, whatever the hell it was. Stands the test of time to this day. Lightning, here's the lightning one. That's out here last time. I get it. Can't put golf clubs in there. What do they want for this pig? Let me see. Where is it? 78,000, whatever. 80. Oh, I'm sorry. 80,000 right here. $80,000 right here. I get it. I'm not against electrical cars. Just got to realize you're not going to Chicago in it. Not doing it. So, it is what it is. There's one over here. Four by four. Just $52,000. You're a player. You should be able to buy that cash.
Yeah, right.
Just drive it off. Come on, player. Be the $30,000 millionaire and buy it.
I wish.
All right, player. You know. Kind of an interesting color for, what is this thing? Maverick. 38 grand, that's not bad. Not bad. Tahoe. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Travelers, I like that. Those are nice.
I think that's what I thought. I bet.
XLT, nice. Tremor.
I like the size. You know, when you look at,
What do you think?
well, I was just telling my buddy, I like the size.
Is there enough room for fat guys like me in here?
Oh yeah, you got plenty.
All right.
It's got the extra cab.
The what?
It's got the extra cab. You can always put an extra rail. in
Golf
the
clubs back in there. You know. Where'd you go?
Stomach's too big for your arms. I can't fix.
Where'd
that
you go for Where'd you go for Bucky's? Where was
Dallas.
it? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I do YouTube, and a lot of people think it's a big deal. And it's like,
Bucky's.
yeah, I get it, but it's a one. I see people video act like it's. Yeah.
It's yeah. I mean,
Some people just get real excited.
it's kind of a been there, done that.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. People videotape it great. You know, you go there. You know, I get it. All right, talk to you guys later. We'll see you on the street. Yeah, it could be like Bucky's are so good. Oh, we'll end this one over here, and we'll kind of keep cruising along here. Kind of a boring auto show, but anyways, guys, Trailblazer. I like the blue. So anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one, okay?